the issue of the migration of our teachers. The over 1,000 teachers who are expected to be leaving our shores, the great exodus is what it is called, whether jokingly or in the most sober way. The statement coming out of the ministry and by Minister Fayval Williams herself, she's not alarmed. That was the response. So there's an exodus of teachers out of the country, and the minister is not alarmed. She's not alarmed because we have teachers exiting the system every year. And there's a system in place where teachers are trained, is what was said, to replace the teachers who have left. Not only is this disrespectfully careless, that kind of statement, but it is perpetuating the idea that we have a system that does not think that our teachers are enough. We have an education system that does not think that our teachers do enough. And so when there is a mass exodus of teachers from the country, the response is that we are not alarmed. And so the opposition wants to take the ministry and the minister to task on that one, to push back and respond to say that we are extremely alarmed. We are alarmed because with this great movement or migration of teachers from the country, there's going to be a huge impact on the students and the teaching system here in Jamaica. What some schools experience is that there is not always a procedure that is followed when teachers are leaving. Some teachers, they are not aware as yet that they're going to leave up until right at the end, almost when school is about to open. So some school administrators are hearing 2 weeks, 1 week before the opening of school. And then they will now have to forge ahead to try to replace those teachers. So please know, Jamaica, that come September morning, there will be a number of classes that are going to be perhaps without teachers, right? A number of, and the subjects that are going to be mostly affected are the math and the technical areas, right? Areas that are fast growing within the global space.